Hi, I'm Alan,
I'm Aditi.
I'm Anthony.
and we're the co-founders of Big and Mini.
63% of Americans report feeling lonely. At Big and Mini, we're changing that.
Imagine a world where a 70-year-old writer meets a 19-year-old English major. 2 months later, they're still calling weekly and bonding over everything from recipes to Shakespeare. That's the reality for Carol and Avery, a Big and Mini match.
Big and Mini is a platform that creates meaningful, authentic connections that link generations together virtually to share stories and combat loneliness. Through dynamic group activities and one-on-one matches between seniors, bigs, and young adults, minis, we create a community working together to spread wisdom and social isolation and make everyone's lives a little better.
Now, more than ever, connections and togetherness are concepts that seem obsolete. The world has stopped moving. Everyone is staying home. It's easy to feel helpless right now. This pandemic has fundamentally disrupted the ways we traditionally connect, causing levels of social isolation to peak, especially among older demographics. In the elderly population, nearly half of all seniors say they constantly feel lonely, while 1 in 6 seniors report being socially isolated. The negative physical health impacts of this isolation have been equated to smoking 15 cigarettes a day and have been linked to heart disease, accelerated dementia, and even death, making this a crucial issue to solve.
On the flip side, younger generations, in addition to the increased isolation associated with COVID, are facing a sudden lack of mentorship while trying to balance an online education with the difficulties associated with a worsening job market and limited opportunity. Before the pandemic, 3 out of 4 students reported never having a strong mentor in their lives. Now, having guidance is more important than ever.
Big and Mini was born out of a desire to address these challenges. To provide some background, the story starts about 3 months ago when we were sheltering at home because of COVID and we're looking for a way to help. We used to visit nursing homes and care homes and had super rewarding discussions about everything from European history to marine biology. Since this was no longer possible in person, we wanted to create these connections virtually by matching younger and older people for weekly phone and video calls. Now, 3 months in, we've got over 1,500 active users on the platform from 50 states and 22 countries and are growing more every day.
The way our platform works is simple. Interested seniors and young adults can go to our website and sign up. From there, both parties will be asked to fill out a profile, filling in their interests, areas of expertise, and what they would like to learn from their match. After completing a quick screening and training to make sure both parties remain safe, Bigs and Minis will be matched together with our algorithm based on complementary profiles, ensuring we can maximize the learning and connection gained from these calls.
Additionally, we've built our platform to be incredibly accessible, with one-click video call access, support for users with limited technology, and mobile app and website options. Using technologies like React, React Native, Twilio, and Amazon Web Services, we built our platform to be scalable to ensure that we can connect millions of users.
Thus far, we've seen resounding success in what both Bigs and Minis are able to get out of this platform. We receive a constant stream of emails and videos detailing the level of connection our matches have been able to make and how truly mutually beneficial the connections we facilitate are. Minis are saying that their Big has become their best friend, and Bigs are saying their Mini is like their own children. People have truly developed deep intergenerational connections with Big and Mini. These stories are incredibly fulfilling and show us that our platform undoubtedly positively impacts people.
My birthday is next Wednesday.
What?
I don't think we're going to do anything special at all.
Oh my gosh, no, our next call will do something special.
As an organization prioritizing social impact first, we have and will always keep our main platform free to ensure that we can reach those who need Big and Mini services the most. However, to remain financially sustainable, we've created a software licensing-based model that allows us to apply our matching algorithm to a variety of contexts. From matching residents of senior communities to schools, to matching employees with retirees, we give organizations the option to pay for customized software and metric tracking that makes it easy for them to give their users the value Big and Mini provides. As of now, we have over a dozen deals in the works with a variety of different organizations.
5 months since Big and Mini got started, we've had over 300 recurring matches, raised over $20,000, and welcomed a constant stream of new Bigs and Minis. We've been featured in over 40 media outlets, ranging from The Today Show to the Dallas Morning News to Parade Magazine. We've brought together people from all across the world, helping them make lasting connections with people who offer a new perspective, and doing our part to make people feel more connected.
Looking forward, we want Big and Mini to become the go-to site for people from all generations to find connection and reprieve from loneliness while learning something. We hope to continue expanding our organizational model to reach even more individuals at once while expanding our platform accessibility to reach those who may not have access to technology. We plan to do this by creating strategic partnerships with senior living providers and colleges, developing an ambassador program, and using our place as a social impact-focused organization to help provide technological resources with Big and Mini pre-installed to those in need.
Of course, none of Big and Mini's success would have been possible without the hard work of our team and constant advice of our many mentors and supporters. The COVID-19 Global Hackathon 2.0 network has been instrumental in supporting us these past few months, and we're incredibly grateful and thankful for their help.
Regardless of how Big and Mini grows in the upcoming years, one thing remains clear. Our goal will always be to eradicate loneliness, one Big and Mini match at a time.